Hi everyone. Welcome to EasyDIYRemodel.com. Today I will show you how to make a door frame through EasyDIYRemodel.com's 3D editor. Double-click on a wall to see operations related to the wall. Click the Add Door option to add a door on that wall. Here you can see that the door is added. Now double-click on the door to see all functionality of the door. From the option, choose Information to see the door information related to its dimensions. Here you can see the information related to doors, all parts including dimensions. Here are all the parts, which are king studs, jack studs, cripple studs, and headers, with their dimensions. The door opening is 32" here. Now we will use the Move functionality. By clicking on the Move option, you can see the distance menu on the bottom section. Here you can see the distance from the right side wall is 128 inches and from the left is 116 inches. Now I am going to change the distance from right to 110 inches. You can see the total distance is adjusted automatically. Then we have to click the Apply button for reflecting the required changes. Wow! You can see the changes made are reflected here. Now we will see the Resize functionality. Here are some standard door sizes with different dimensions. Let's choose any of the ones. Here you can see the door size is changed as per the chosen size. The stud bottom plate is adjusted automatically. Let's resize the door again to another size. Now you can see it's changed. Now we will see the Add to Cart functionality. By clicking on this option, you can see the total wood used in the door with the dimensions. Now click on the shopping cart icon, which is in the top right corner. Here you can see the same is added to your cart. By clicking on the View All button, you can see more details about the added door materials. Here you can see the quantity needed and the buyable quantity that is based on the standard size. Finally, we are going to see the Delete functionality. By clicking on this option, door will be deleted. Now you can see all the studs are adjusted automatically. For the latest updates and offers, subscribe to or follow our social media channels. Thanks for watching this video.